If you're looking to get started with SuiteDash digital marketing tools, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the key features of SuiteDash, show you how to use them, and let you know what you need to keep in mind before diving in. Stick around until the end, because I'll also give you an exclusive offer on SuiteDash and share some solid alternatives that might be a better fit for your goals. Let's start by talking about SuiteDash's main attraction, its all-in-one platform. SuiteDash is designed to streamline your digital marketing efforts by combining everything from CRM, project management, and email marketing into one cohesive platform. It's a great tool if you're running an agency or a small business and need everything in one place. Next thing, setting up your account. The setup process is straightforward, but keep in mind that SuiteDash is feature-packed, so you'll want to take your time. From customizing your dashboard to linking your email accounts, the setup guide is clear, but you may need some patience. It's not a set-it-and-forget-it tool. There's a learning curve, but the payoff is definitely there if you're looking to automate multiple business processes at once. The third thing, SuiteDash's client portal. This feature allows you to create customized client portals that serve as a hub for communication and collaboration. This can be a huge time saver when you're dealing with clients on a regular basis. However, the interface isn't the most intuitive. While it's functional, it might take a little time to navigate, especially if you're used to simpler tools. So, if you prefer a super sleek, easy to navigate system, this might feel a bit clunky at first. Now let's talk about email marketing. SuiteDash does offer email marketing tools, which is great if you're looking to send newsletters or promotional campaigns. However, the email automation isn't as advanced as some competitors like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp. While it gets the job done, the drag and drop editor can feel a bit rigid and lacking in flexibility. If your focus is primarily email marketing, you might want to consider using something more robust. The fifth thing, project management. SuiteDash gives you the tools to manage your projects, but again, this isn't its strongest feature. It offers task tracking, time logging, and collaboration tools, but it doesn't have the same level of sophistication as tools like Monday.com or Asana. If you're looking for a dedicated project management tool, SuiteDash will work, but it might not be as feature-rich or user-friendly as those other platforms. Let's talk about automation next. This is where SuiteDash shines. It allows you to automate many of your day-to-day tasks. You can automate client onboarding, invoicing, and email follow-ups, which is a huge plus. But keep in mind that while automation is powerful, it requires a lot of initial setup. You'll need to plan and customize your workflows, which could be overwhelming if you don't have time to dive deep into the platform. And the last thing, SuiteDash is priced competitively compared to other digital marketing tools, especially given all the features it offers. However, you'll still need to decide if you really need all of those features. It might be overkill if you're only looking for something specific, like email marketing or CRM. Now, before you go, here's something important. While SuiteDash offers a solid toolset, there are some other platforms that might be better suited to specific needs. If you're focused on email marketing, automation, or project management, tools like ActiveCampaign, Monday.com, or even ClickUp might be better options depending on your business. These alternatives often provide more specialized and user-friendly experiences. Here's the best part though. Through our link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial to SuiteDash. Plus, you'll have access to some fantastic alternatives that I think could work even better for your digital marketing goals. These alternatives also come with free trials, so you can try them risk-free. That's it for today's quick explainer on SuiteDash digital marketing tools. Make sure to check out the link below to get your exclusive benefits and try the best tools that will elevate your business.